Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to create a soft glam look, and for today's makeup I'm going to use all the products from Mamaearth. And guys, all these products are cruelty free, paraben free and dermatologically tested. So yeah, let's move on to the video. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm prepping my skin using Mamaearth Ultra Nourishing Cold Cream. This is a very hydrating and moisturizing cream, guys. And maybe because of this winter my skin feels very dry and chapped. So yeah, this cream is good for this season. Next, to hydrate my lips, I'm applying the Mamaearth Tinted 100% Natural Lip Balm, and here I'm using the shade Cherry Tinted. And guys, this is made safe product, and actually I'm obsessed with this product. Next, move on to the foundation, and this is their Glow Serum Foundation, and my shade is 04 Sand Glow. And guys, this foundation blends very easily and gives a very natural soft glow on the skin, and it provides a sheer to medium coverage. It is a very skin loving product, guys, and this is perfect for this soft glam look. And you can use this foundation for your everyday go-to look as well. Next is concealer, and I'm using their Glow Hydrating Concealer. My shade is 02 Cream Glow, and I'm using this concealer to hide my dark circles and dark spots, and also a little bit highlighting my nose and forehead. And guys, this is another very lightweight product and gives sheer to medium coverage, so you can use this concealer for your regular purpose and for your light makeup look as well. Next, moving on to my blush, and for my blush I'm using the Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick in the shade 07 Raspberry Scarlet. This is a very beautiful pinkish red shade, and I think this is perfect for my blush. Next, I have to do my eye makeup, and I'll start with the liner, and this is their Soothing Waterproof Eyeliner. And guys, actually this is waterproof liner. It is a jet black in color and comes with a brush tip applicator, which is perfect for my wing liner. Next is the kajal, and I'm using their Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. And guys, this is supremely pigmented kajal. It has castor oil on it, and it glides very smoothly on my eyes, and it stays for 7-8 hours nicely. Next is the mascara, and here I'm using the Mamaearth Lash Care Volumizing Mascara. It has vitamin E on it, and guys, I really like the applicator of the mascara, and after application my lashes looks bigger and thicker. Next, move on to my lips, and for my lips I'm applying the shade Bubblegum Nude from their Moisture Matte range. And guys, this is a very beautiful pink shade, and I really like the formula of their Moisture Matte lipstick because on my lips it stays for long, and also this is very comfortable and hydrating on the lips. So yeah, this is my final look, and I hope you like it. So guys, this is it about this video, and guys, all these products are available on Mamaearth website and Mamaearth app as well. And if you want, you can use my code to get 20% off on both of their website and app. And you can also buy these products from Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon and Purplle as well. So you can buy according to your convenient. And guys, nowadays they have launched a Goodness Insider program, where you can get free shipping and free gifts on your every purchase, and I will mention all the details of that insider program on the description, so make sure to check that description. And yeah, here in this video, whatever the product I have used, all these products are actually my personal favorite product from the Mamaearth brand, and definitely I will recommend this product to you guys, because after all, Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and all their products are toxins free, chemicals free. After all, we all want something chemicals free makeup, so definitely I would like to recommend this product to you guys, and let me know how you like my today's look. So yeah, that's it about the video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.